At stateelectric.com, our quick order tool can be used to quickly add items you need to your cart, even if you don't know the exact State Electric SKU number. Once you're logged in, you can find our quick order tool either under the My Account tab found in your header, as seen here, or under the Ordering Tools tab in your account page, seen here. On the Quick Order Pad page, click in the box under the item lookup and begin typing an SKU, a UPC, or one of your customer part numbers. As you type, our Search Assist will immediately begin displaying products matching your lookup. If you see the product you want, simply click it and it will be added to your current list. With this done, you can choose to change the quantity or click under the next item lookup to add your next product. If you have trouble finding your product in this list, give us some details about the product and select the custom product at the bottom. Make sure you enter a quantity and keep in mind that when you check out with custom products, the order will be submitted as a quote. So see here, we don't have the checkout option because with a custom item, we have to place in a quote so we can find you the appropriate item for your order. Going back to the Quick Order tab, if you need to add more than 4 items to your current list or to your cart, simply click Add More Items to your orders. This can display up to 10 at once, at which point you can add those 10 items to your cart and then restart your search all over again if you need to add more than 10 items.